Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide mini is Lee from the Gears and Guns set. It was black and white Zenithal primed, and I get started with blue-green for his waistcoat. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, his jeans get a base coat of golden brown from AK Interactive. For his face, I went for a once over with Elven skin. His shirt is a very pale green, so I used pastel green as the base layer for this. All of the leather parts on the mini get a quick once over with Cork brown. To finish off his clothing, the scarf gets done with Vampire Fang. While this is out, I do add a quick highlight to his jeans just to bring them more in line with the artwork. The base, as with all of my Zombicide minis, gets done with Plague Brown. Finishing off the base colours, I grabbed black and done his hair. For the metal parts, they all get done with plate armour. Moving on to the washes, I tinted the shirt and the waistcoat with green tone wash. For everything else on the mini, I wash it with Archaic Sepia wash. add a highlight and bring back some of that base color, I used blue-green just to bring up the waistcoat. The shirt also needed some love to look more pale again, so I went back over all the raised parts with pastel green. Finishing up the mini, I touched up the face with some more Elven skin. As with all of my Zombicide minis, I add some sandy desert texture paste to the base. And that will be it for Lee. I've done a bit of extra work on the highlighting on this one, just because I'm below that 30-minute mark that I'm trying to aim all of these minis towards. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, you can get a closer look of this mini on my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.